Never done one, right?
Never done one. Okay. First time.
And you're not gonna run screaming or anything like that?
Hopefully not. All right.
We're gonna get a time attack.
Yeah, I mean, if there's a competition on the line.
And just like, sorry, does it start? Okay, I'm starting it now.
Okay. It's very cold. I feel like I'm in a documentary.
Okay. Is it getting warmer as time goes by?
I don't think it's getting warmer.
54 seconds.
Woo. I don't know. Now that I'm first, I'm setting the goal. Like, I have nothing to beat.
The people that do it like max crazy all the time can do up to like 15 minutes. But I think you're supposed to do like 5, even if you're like pro.
I think you guys are also kind of helping. Yeah, that like you're here. I also feel like it's support.
Minimum is 3. You're at 2 minutes.
You can do 5. It depends how long the line is.
Okay.
I'm like going for 5 because I'm trying to win.
I mean,
Starting a cave?
No, I have it like I have to like win.
I know.
I'm promising you that I will not beat you. I promise you.
If you want to stay and win 6
she
minutes.
really wants to win.
6 minutes? Oh, I can do it for 6 minutes.
6 minutes.
Very chill, like literally.
Yep, yep.
I'm good? Okay.
All right.
Yes! Thank you all.
I will not be doing 6 minutes. I'm not having fun.
Hold for 5 and then exhale for like 7. It's called box breathing. It just takes your brain off of the cold. It helps you acclimate.
3 minutes, Jenna.
I made it to 3.
6 minutes. It's like you must have been practicing in your bathtub.
I kind of think we should both look at the bag and decide.
We'll split it.
It's important to us.
Exactly. I like that. Because you know what? I could have definitely done more than 6 minutes, but I'm like, you know, let me get out. Let me share the bath. She just said 6.
Oh my gosh.
We're all aiming for 6.
Need more bags.
Well, that's the thing. That's why I got out. Get out.
How is it if you cold?
He was exactly right about that.
It's like one thing to feel it on your hand, but when it hits like
The midsection.
you're like, why did I think this was a good idea?
Amazing. Well done.
To share the
Yeah. Wow.
We're all pro star plungers now.
You get into the gym more. Infrared heating pad similar to the sauna. It's generating infrared heat to help your muscles and tissues recover, but at the same time it has crystals as well, and it has a pulse electronic magnetic frequency that has 8 different frequencies that are trying to sort of help you either activate, calm, or heal depending on which setting you have it on. And so there's been a lot of studies that's showing the benefits of using these different frequencies to help people heal. And so this mat incorporates 8 of them, and as well as those crystals, and then it also has these biolights. So this red light is actually being absorbed by your skin, helping you as well in terms of activating collagen and helping you.
Ooh, activating collagen.
Wow. Falou, tá legal.
Look at you. You recognize
Voltar pra Bahia, brasileira.
That is awesome. You've been there?
Many times.
Oh my goodness.
I
That's
used to work in a Brazilian nightclub, so I have all these.
Oh, that's wild, right?
Everybody came through here, like Gilberto Gil,
Wow.
Javan.
Are you serious?
Yeah, so I went to
love
Brazil
them.
with Gilberto Gil to work with him on a big festival there, Rock in Rio.
What the heck? Look at your big deal. This is why he needed to do this business. Okay? Because he had to ground himself after all that craziness.
Right. No, that was the best.
Almost 6 minutes.
Jeez.
I'm not doing the challenge. I'm just doing for the fun.
8. No, you can. It's not that cold.
Pardon me? I'm totally fine. What time am I at?
8 minutes and 25 seconds.
I'm going to 9.
And make it an even 9.
Who's 8 minutes? Lisa is in there for 9.
What? She wants that prize.
Radha, you look like you're in your element.
I love it. I enjoy this little house.
All right. You won.
Yeah.
You're getting that bag.
I'm gonna be in here for 2 minutes.
Okay. You got it? Oh, man. You got it. You take
The breathing in for 4, it gets you going, so you have the breath.
Okay.
Holding for 4, I think is so
I
important
have on
because
the
it lets you
LS,
feel the boundaries
Yeah.
of your organs of your body.
Yeah.
And breathing out for 8 activates the parasympathetic branch of your autonomic nervous system to let you know that you're okay. In addition to that, the counting, I mean, this is very, the counting is where you focus your attention, and attention is the space of integration. So when you put that all together, and I'm the person who gets freezing cold, period, that your focus, your messaging your body, and integrating all of these aspects of mind, body, and emotion can get me into the tub for 9 minutes. That was far different than I could have possibly imagined, because I feel cold water and I'm done. Like, no thank you.
Another swell score, happy customer, cold plunger.
And your body is adjusting.
This is where people
You should be incredibly proud of yourself.
There was no one who thought less of my being able to do it than me.
You proved yourself wrong. That's why we come here, right? To like get out of our comfort zone. Yeah. To push us because we know we might not push ourselves.
I only want to go for 1 minute.
Me and Radha going in together.
No, you know I'm
Me and Radha gonna go. We're going together. Yeah.
Gonna push you. No, you gotta be at
2 minutes.
2 minutes.
1 minute each equals 2.
Yeah.
Before you go in. Are you sure?
2 minutes. It's just enough room for me and you.
She was gonna coach you, but you already went in. But I'll still play for you.
Just think that all your nerve system is going to feel, calm, and just think about all the benefits.
Focus on taking slow and control.
I'm a little bit of both. Like, we have a company.
Okay, that was good.
I'm ready. Let's go. Holy cow! Let's go.
I did one by Dr. Kellyanne.
Right now?
Yeah.
Like
It's like both.
15 seconds ago.
Okay, you're in. Absolutely. Trust anything.
You know me very well. Tony says that, and it's like because I don't like, that's why I do it.
She's in there. No, she's been for a while.
You're past.
I have not.
You're past.
Rather are going in together.
Oh, that's perfect.
Okay, so who did the most? Because I want to win that bag, dude.
I think it's 9 minutes, right?
Are you serious, bitch? Don't record that. Oh, that was you.
I'm fixed.
Oh, fine. You won the flipping bag then, okay?
Patricia, you got this. Go, girl. 10 minutes. 10 minutes.
You know what? I'm gonna tell you something. If you stay longer, like when it gets really tough, your body literally adjusts to it.
Absolutely.
This is crazy. I can tell you right now how my body just literally adjusted.
How long after did it adjust?
2 minutes.
It took 2 minutes.
You're at 3 and you have to submerge to a certain level. You can't be like, I've just got my feet in.
That's where the problem is. I can't get past my feet.
Right. You have to submerge at least to your neck in order to feel an adjustment occur.
How crazy is that? Really paying attention to what your body.
Yeah, like the awareness of your body and just being present in this moment and nothing else around you, right? Just tell yourself, what am I accomplishing by doing this?
I love this. This is such a trip.
4.5 minutes. You just passed. You gonna do it? You can do it.
Yeah, if you get to 10, you win.
And I'm gonna be bitch number 2.
Company is always good.
I mean, I want to get in because I'm so hot now.
Yeah.
Right? He's like, I want to get in. He's like, I'm roasting right now.
I already put a bathing suit on, so I have to go in at least for 1 minute. Yeah. We're doing it. Come.
I didn't even touch it yet.
You got this.
Feels good, actually.
Come on. You got it. Breathe. You got this. Breathe, babe. Oh, it's not fair. You're taller. Your shoulders don't even go in. Breathe. Breathe. You got this. Breathe. Nice. Look at your son does this every day. Breathe. Tell your body. It's fine. Tell your body. You got this. I'm okay. Breathe. There you go. There you go. Nice.
Yeah, normally I'd be like screaming, and I actually, being in here with her was more focused on her.
Yep.
And then it didn't, right?
Breathe.
How often do we do that for our children?
Yes, right?
Right?
You got this, girl.
It feels fine now, actually.
I don't think you've ever had 3 in the cold plunge.
I filled it up just the right amount that we didn't overflow. So we're gonna displace a lot of water at this point, and it's gonna be empty by the time we leave.
We're the last ones?
Yeah, I think so. Oh, we're staying in here until you get to 10, and then you're gonna share that stuff with us.
We raised the water temperature.
Yeah, we did. Yeah, we did. I don't know. Something I feel has shifted in me since I've started doing all of this work.
Yeah.
And I think, like even when we were doing the yoga yesterday, I remember I told you this last year at the retreat. Now when I do yoga, I have much more physical balance, and I think a lot of it actually has to do with my mental state more than my physical state. Do you remember when we did it in
Puerto Vallarta?
I screamed like a baby.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
But now, like by doing the work I've been doing, that mental strength, the mental strength has grown.
Yeah.
And I think this is like fine now, and I'm shocked that I'm saying this out loud.
That's awesome.
Do you like the cryo?
I don't like it, but I love how I feel afterwards.
That's how it used to be. Like when I lived in Canada, you would go outside and your nose hairs would freeze together and your eyelashes would have icicles on them.
Yeah.
Like that's how cold it would be.
How are we?
10 minutes, 7 seconds.
How do you feel?
Amazing.
Amazing. So good.
Oh, this is the longest they've done it. Like you did it 3 minutes?
Yeah, because they got in right at 7.
Right?
So 3 and a
Yeah.
half.
3 minutes.
Yeah.
3.5, dude.
Yeah.
I beat your ass, girl. You did. The competitor have to.
The competitors came. We are all fiercely competitive. I feel like women.
That's awesome.